meet the head barb at some point. That'll be big for me. That'll be big for me.
The Mac underscore says Flex is an op. Listen. Good.
No, I'm not.
Good fucking riddance.
I'm on the team.
All right. Okay, so y'all.
I appreciate your time.
Mac
thank you for having me.
mother.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, Flex, yes. Be good. I will hit you when I'm out there, okay?
Yes.
Take care and thank you. Thank
you
for
your
support.
Me. Okay, I'm with you. All right.
All right, y'all. All right, you guys. I love you dearly. Be happy. Be grateful for your life, please. Thank you very much. And I hope that you're going to smile all day and smile all night because you are alive and well. You're in your right mind. You're healthy. You made it to today. You made it to today. Okay? So, it's okay, boo. I know you're being overprotective of me. It's okay. I love you. Don't worry. But, y'all, I Admit is out. NBA Youngboy dropped his album last night. It's a fire album. And that's what I came to tell the barbs. I love you. To all my real niggas. To all my real niggas in the building. I fucks with you. Heavy on that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, guys. Love you. Bye, okay? Keep me posted. And don't forget, listen to Flex and listen to Bobby Condes and Jabba and all that. And see if they support.